6. Minecart. It is rail transportation equipment for bulk material haulage in mines and engineering projects. Integrally enclosed box structure prevents material spillage. The chassis is welded with channel steel and heavy steel rails, equipped with dedicated wheel sets and buffer connections. Thickened steel plates and stiffeners are added at key stress-bearing positions and subjected to stress relief treatment. Impact and deformation resistant. Universal traction link and cotter pin interface. Supports multiple init marshalling. Compatible with all types of traction equipment. Suitable for coal mines and metal mines. Transportation of ore and waste rock in non-metallic mines. Minecars are hauled to the loading point by electric locomotives or hoists, marshaled and transported to the unloading area. Whole trains or single cars can enter the tippler station. The rotating mechanism drives the minecar to flip at an angle of 160 to 180. Materials are completely discharged automatically by gravity. It then resets and returns for cyclic operation. The entire process is completed mechanically. No manual intervention required. High efficiency and safety. Meet the demands of large-scale continuous production in mines.